Hello and welcome, everyone. Whether you're tuning in for skincare tips or just curious about how to naturally enhance your skin's glow, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk all about glowing skin, but in the most natural way possible. No expensive products, no harsh chemicals, just simple, holistic practices that can transform your skin from the inside out. Are you ready to glow? Let's dive in. Before we jump into tips and tricks, let's talk about the skin itself. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. It acts as a barrier protecting you from environmental factors, and it helps regulate body temperature, among other essential functions. But did you know that your skin's glow is a reflection of your overall health? That's right. What we eat, how we manage stress, and how we take care of our bodies can all impact our skin. How many of you have noticed that when you feel good inside, your skin reflects that? Let me know in the comments or give a thumbs up if you've experienced that. Hydration is key. Let's talk hydration. It's probably one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to get that natural glow. Your skin needs water to maintain its elasticity and radiance. Dehydrated skin can look dull, flaky, and even cause fine lines to show more prominently. Now, I'm sure you've heard the advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day, and that's a great goal. But what else can you do? How much water do you drink daily? I'd love to know if you're already hitting your hydration targets. Drinking water isn't the only way to stay hydrated. Eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can also help. These foods not only hydrate you but also provide important vitamins and minerals that support healthy skin. The importance of nutrition. Next up, nutrition. What we put into our bodies can directly affect how our skin looks. If you're looking for glowing skin, try to incorporate these nutrient-rich foods into your diet. 1. Vitamin C found in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps your skin stay firm and youthful. 2. Healthy fats. Think avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. The syphids help keep your skin hydrated and give it that supple, glowing look. 3. Antioxidants. Foods like blueberries, dark chocolate, and green tea are rich in antioxidants. These help protect your skin from oxidative stress and free radical damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. What's your favorite skin-boosting food? Drop it in the chat. I'd love to hear about the delicious and healthy foods you're enjoying. And don't forget about probiotics. A healthy gut is key to glowing skin. So try including fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kombucha in your diet to support a balanced microbiome. Sleep and stress management. Now, let's talk about something many of us struggle with: sleep and stress. Your skin regenerates and repairs itself while you sleep, which is why getting enough rest is essential for a healthy, glowing complexion. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your skin to repair itself and regenerate cells. And stress? Well, it's a skin's worst enemy. Stress can lead to acne, dullness, and even premature aging. So how do we manage it? Let's do a quick breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Feel the stress leaving your body. Inhale calm, exhale stress. It's amazing how taking a few minutes to just breathe can help reset your mood and your skin. Aside from relaxation techniques, ensure you're finding time to do things you love, like reading, yoga, or just spending time outdoors. Natural skincare routines. Let's get into skincare. You don't need a cabinet full of products to have glowing skin. Here are a few simple, natural skincare routines you can adopt. Cleansing. Cleanse your skin twice a day with a gentle cleanser. You can make your own with honey, which is naturally antibacterial, or aloe vera, which is soothing and hydrating. 2. Exfoliating. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and reveals a fresh layer of skin. You can create a DIY scrub with ingredients like oatmeal, sugar, and coconut oil. Just be gentle and exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. 3. Moisturizing. Use natural oils like coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil to lock in moisture. These oils hydrate and protect the skin without clogging pores. Does anyone here use natural ingredients for their skincare routine? Drop your favorite DIY recipe or skincare tip in the comments. Sun protection. There you have it. A glowing complexion doesn't require fancy treatments, just consistency and a little care from the inside out. Hydrate, eat well, manage stress, sleep enough, and take care of your skin with natural products. That's the secret to glowing, healthy skin. If you enjoyed this session, make sure to share these tips with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness and beauty advice. And remember, the glow starts from within. Take care of your body, and your skin will follow. Thank you so much, cuties, for joining me today. Keep glowing, and I'll see you next time.